Welcome to Corn-Fed TV. I'm Lincoln. We got Lindsay behind the camera today. Before we hit the trails, I wanted to go over this Rhino USA automatic air deflator. My buddy Jeremy Wilson at 8 Lug Productions, 8 Lug Productions. He picked these up while he was at Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion and sent them over to me to give them a shot. So what we got to do is, this is as simple as it is. You just take this. I've got mine set on 12 right now. This one's messed up. I don't know if it's on my end or whatever. I'm gonna go over it. But anyway, so mine's set on 12. This isn't gonna tell you anything yet. It comes with this. What you're gonna do is you're gonna deflate your tire. And you'll just hit the button, let it out until you get down to, your desired pressure. Mine's 12. You're going to screw this on until you hear it hiss, and then you're going to screw it back in until it stops, and then you just gradually back it off just a little bit, and then you take this lock nut, lock it in place, screw it on there, and you're set for next time. Okay, so like I said, you're going to want to first take your stem off. You're going to take your gauge, check your pressure. This one should be around 20. I got 22. So what you would actually do is set this on here and hit your button and let it release air. But since these are already set, you just screw it on here, and now you wait. Apparently mine's set on 10, so I'm gonna have to go back and fix them later. Alright, so like I said, it's from Rhino USA. It comes in this nice little case. Inside the case, it has your air gauge. It has some extra stems, caps. Not necessarily a repair kit, but it's got the stuff. It comes with 4 of these, and it has its own little thing if you don't want to carry the case, which I want to carry the case just in case I need caps or stems or to help somebody else out. So Rhino USA, check them out. Go check out my buddy 8 Lug Productions. Thanks for watching.